Who's watching? You are. The Google Nest Cam. Because your home deserves 24/7 VIP protection. Ever wonder what your dog is up to when you're not home? Or who's been raiding the fridge at 2 a.m.? The Google Nest Cam, 2nd Gen, is here to catch every move, keep you in the loop, and give you total peace of mind, all in crystal clear 1080p HDR video. It's smart enough to tell the difference between people, pets, and cars, sending you only the alerts that matter via the Google Home app. No more useless notifications about a swaying curtain, just real-time security that keeps your home safe and sound. Unlike old-school security cams that require complicated setups and costly subscriptions, the Nest Cam is ready to roll in minutes. Simply plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and boom, you're in control from anywhere. It even stores up to 3 hours of event video history for free, so you can rewind and review what you missed, no subscription required. Want more? Upgrade to Nest Aware for up to 60 days of video history. And if your Wi-Fi goes out? No sweat, the Nest Cam records up to an hour locally so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's talk night vision, because burglars don't take naps. While other cameras fumble in the dark, the Nest Cam sees everything, day or night, thanks to high-power infrared LEDs. Its 135 degrees wide-angle lens captures more of the room, and with 6x digital zoom, you can get up close and personal, without actually being there. See it. Hear it. Speak through it. The built-in speaker and mic let you talk back to delivery drivers, scare off intruders, or just yell "get off the couch" at your dog, from anywhere in the world. Your privacy matters, and Google knows it. That's why the Nest Cam features encrypted video, 2-step verification, and an LED status light that lets you know when it's recording. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with Google Assistant and Alexa, so you can stream footage hands-free on smart displays, TVs, and tablets. The sleek, modern design blends into any home, and with the included stand and wall mount, you can place it anywhere for the perfect angle. No clunky, obvious cameras, just clean, intelligent security that works as hard as you do. The Google Nest Cam is the all-in-one security solution you need to protect what matters most. Whether you're monitoring the living room, nursery, front door, or office, this smart indoor camera does it all, without breaking the bank. Affordable, feature-packed, and ridiculously easy to use, it's the security upgrade your home deserves. Ready to see what's happening when you're not looking? Get the Nest Cam today and stay in the know, day or night, rain or shine.